Are you currently wondering how you can join Xelliss as a distributor in 2021? I recently released a video similar to this, but Xelliss just updated its whole system. So I want to show you how to do this now. Well, my name is Karin from KarinAngeli.com. I teach and train network marketers how to build their business in the online space, and I also talk about some of my favorite products and services as well. And today, I want to show you step by step how to become a Xelliss distributor. Now listen, I'm here every single week giving you tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build your network marketing business. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button because I want to help you grow an amazing network marketing business. All right, so let's talk about all the different changes that Xelliss has gone through recently. I mean, it's no surprise because this company is growing fast, and because it's growing fast, it's got to update its systems as it goes. So I recently released a video similar to this one, but this one is way more up to date, okay? Because the Xelliss back office went through an entire overhaul literally right after I shared that video. So I want to show you step by step how you can actually join Xelliss as a distributor. And if you're curious how to do that step by step with me, I actually left a link for you in the description where you can actually go ahead and join Xelliss right here, right now. Okay, so let's go through it step by step right now. All right, my friends, so you have decided that you want to join Xelliss as a distributor, and I want to show you step by step how you can actually sign up today if you're ready to do that. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Xelliss homepage, and you're going to make sure that your distributor's name is in this upper left-hand corner. Okay, so if you decide that you want to join with me, make sure that my name and my lovely face is right here in this upper left-hand corner, and whoever it is that you want to join, make sure that their name and their face or their name, or at least their name, is in this upper left hand corner. Okay, so what you're going to do, you'll be on this Xelliss homepage and you're actually going to tap this join button here. So there's two different things here. Obviously you can join as a distributor or join as a privileged customer. We're actually going to go in and join as a distributor right now. All right, my friends. So what's going to happen once you hit that join as a distributor button, it is actually going to bring you to this page right here. Now, if you click on the link in my description below this YouTube video, it's actually going to bring you straight to this page, okay? Just make sure if you're looking to join my team that my name and my lovely face are here in the upper left-hand corner. That's super important. Or if you're looking to join with someone else, make sure that their name is in this upper left-hand corner, okay? So once you get here, it's basically going to be saying this: welcome to the team. And you're going to go through and you're actually going to fill in this personal information as you need to. Okay, so let's start filling it out. All right, so once you have filled out that personal information, it's going to bring you to the mailing address section. So now you want to actually fill in the mailing address that you want your products shipped to, okay? This is literally where your products are going to go. So fill in your mailing address here. Now, if you want to change the shipping address so that it's different, you can change that here. So you're going to fill that in how you want to. We're just going to hit continue. And at this point, you are basically going to be choosing your username that you will want for your own personal site, okay? So basically choose whatever name that you possibly want here. And you're going to choose your password. And then once you've done that, you want to hit continue. Now, this is where you actually pick what kit you want to build your business with, okay? So we have these 3 different kits. Obviously, you can see it starts with this big professional pack. There is loads of product in this, and it is phenomenal. Basically, choose where you fit in best, okay? So if I had to do this, I would want to show my sponsor that I wanted to go all in. And the best way to do that is by jumping in with this professional pack. However, if that's not where you fit in, feel free to choose the business or the personal pack as well. And you can actually see what the price points are here as well. So we'll just hit add to cart. And because I didn't fill in any actual like correct information. It doesn't allow me to go any further. But what you would do is you would hit add to cart, and then you would hit this continue button, and you would continue through placing your order. So it would basically go through the entire process of placing your order at this point, verifying what you have, putting in your payment. So however you want to pay for this, you can put your payment in. It will summarize it for you. And remember that in order to be a Xelliss distributor, you do have that $30 distributor fee that goes on top of these kits as well. And that, I believe, is placed here at the summary area. So that's it. That's how you can sign up to be a Xelliss distributor. So that was super easy, right? I love the simplicity of this new back office. It's a whole lot less confusing, and more people are able to easily become Xelliss distributors, okay? So when you're looking for an amazing network marketing company, you're looking for great products, you're looking for great leadership, and you're looking for a company with timing on its side. That's truly Xelliss right now, okay? So this is the time. If you're curious about becoming a Xelliss distributor, I want to connect with you. I left quite a few ways where we can connect and chat about what it might look like for you to become a Xelliss distributor. And if you're ready right now to actually join Xelliss as a distributor, go ahead and check out that link in the description, because you can get started right here, right now. Now go build your unicorn empire.